grilling is a perfect way to savor this sizzling season. This is Justin Case of America Newscape. Joining us today, our friend and mentor, Executive Chef Jeff Anderson, sharing some recipes and tips for creating a delicious barbecue menu that whets our appetites. Chef Jeff is a new product and recipe developer for we the consumers. Greetings, Jeff. Welcome to America Newscape.
Hi, thanks for having me.
Hey, so with all this at-home cooking, what is your recommendation for that next great meal?
Well, you know what? I can confidently recommend our Open Nature product line as the centerpiece for whatever meal you prepare. The reason is our Open Nature products are great tasting, high quality, and affordable, but more importantly, with everyone concerned about what they're putting in their bodies right now, these items are non-GMO, there's no artificial flavors or preservatives, and whether you want plant-based, gluten-free, or high-protein, there are more than 500 Open Nature products to choose from. And my feeling is if we can't write you a great recipe with that number of items to select from, we've got to do a better job of finding what to get on your tabletop for you.
Chef, tell us more. Does it get expensive when using natural products?
It doesn't have to. If you compare Open Nature to the National brand, in my opinion, it's not about what's in the product, it's what's not in the product. And so, you know, you can get the same quality or better compared to the National brands at a lower price, but it's when you turn the label over and look at the nutritional panel that it's really obvious what's not in those. So for me, what I think is a great meal starts with great ingredients, and I'm pleasantly surprised every time I try one of our new products.
Well, how about a recommended appetizer to enjoy while getting the main course ready?
Well, you know, we want to be in the backyard grilling and spend more time outdoors and not so much time in the kitchen. But a real simple way to kick off your meal is something that's creamy, spicy, and sweet, and best of all, easy to prepare. Blend some organic cream cheese and a little mango habanero hot sauce with a pinch of sea salt, a little bit of honey, and then plate it and chill it. All you need to do is top it with a little splash of hot sauce to kind of freshen the top of it, and then serve it with whatever you like to dip, you know, whether it's crudité, such as broccoli or cauliflower florets, or use something like our Everything Flatbread crackers that's got some fennel seeds and some peppercorns and a little bit of crushed pepper for a really dynamic kind of dipping cracker.
What is something for the grill?
Well, for me, I like a little bit of variety to try to please everybody that's sitting at the table. And the easiest way to do that is to make a mixed grill. And a mixed grill is a classic steakhouse-style preparation that usually encompasses 2 to 3 to 4 maybe ingredients on the same skewer. So lately I've been making summertime skewers with our Open Nature shrimp and sea scallops, and also slices of our smoked chicken apple sausage. And the reason I like those ingredients is the chicken sausage is made with chicken that has no added antibiotics. It's got some smoke to it, and that pairs really well with the seafood. But more importantly, the seafood is not only good for us, but good for the earth because it's got the responsible choice label on it. And that label means that it's raised or caught in ways to help safeguard our future supplies and keep the oceans thriving and the ecosystems healthy.
Can you recommend a salad?
Sure. Salads are easy, but I think what's important to incorporate into this meal is a little bit of variety of texture and temperature and taste. And so for me, what I like is to build something using seasonal produce. In this case, zucchini and squash, along with the addition of some basil and cilantro. But more importantly, the dressing is something that's really easy to make, and that just combines crunchy peanut butter for some crunch and texture with some sesame ginger dressing. Whisk those two together. That makes a great dip for things like grilled chicken, but in this case, by dressing the vegetables you're creating a salad that brings together all the elements that I mentioned of temperature and texture and taste. It's a really great accompaniment to the entree.
Hey, now tempt us with the perfect dessert that pairs nicely with this summertime feast.
Dessert's easy to make ahead of time, and you can take advantage of our new non-dairy frozen dessert, similar to ice cream, but instead made with either cashew, almond, or oat milk. These are from Open Nature again. I like to use a really simple kind of base to an ice cream sandwich, in this case vanilla bean, and then pair it with either some fresh-baked snickerdoodle or chocolate chip or oatmeal cookies and smash those together real nice and tight and then put them in the freezer. And, you know, your guest can customize them by sprinkling them with either powdered sugar, cinnamon, or cocoa, or put some other sprinkles on it like rainbow or, chocolate sprinkles. The kids love to do that, but you can make these in advance and have a stash of them on hand, so at a moment's notice you've got dessert ready. Because dessert at last minute is always challenging, but by preparing these and putting them into the freezer, you just throw them out on the tabletop last minute, you're good to go.
Chef Jeff, how can people find these recipes, get these items, and learn more?
Well, you can go to either Safeway or Albertsons.com/Open Nature for information about Open Nature products. I'd also recommend that you check out our online shopping. You can visit the store and get delivery, home delivery. You can also get drive up and go, which is a great way to get you back into the yard grilling again, so you can spend more time enjoying cooking and meals with your family and loved ones.
Hey, this has been Justin Case of America Newscape and Chef Jeff Anderson, sharing a glimpse into Sizzling Barbecue Solutions. Thanks for joining us. Please remember additional information and links are provided in the video's Read More. Plus, please consider subscribing to this channel and stand back. We're not sure how much bigger it's going to get. We're out. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, and I like the Adam and Eve reference there at the end.
Hey, you made me hungry, so I'll get to work and take care.
Thank you.